Is your computer slowing you down? Sick of waiting forever for apps to open? What if I told you there's a simple way to make your PC 10 times faster? No fancy upgrades, no pricey software, just a few easy tweaks that can transform your PC into a speed demon. Stick around, because in the next few minutes, I'll show you how to supercharge your PC with just a few clicks. Let's get started. Firstly, go to Settings then System. Click on Storage. The System Storage Management will analyze the distributions. We will need to clear the temporary files and clean up recommendations. Switch on the storage sensor to automatically clear temporary files for all-time computer speed. Next, on your PC desktop, press Windows and R keys to launch the Run wizard. Type the command on your screen. And press OK. This will restart your computer and run some tests to make it speed up 10 times faster. The process is complete. Your computer can now run 10 times faster. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and let's know the outcome at your own end in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.